Gayatri Verma, your science teacher. So, hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine and healthy and you are safer at your home also, right? Okay students, now I have brought something new for you. As you know that we have already completed chapter number 3, that is fiber to fabric, with all the exercises, all the question answers, right? Yes students? Yes, we have already completed chapter 3. So, now the today's chapter is chapter number 4. Very good. That is heat flow and temperature. So today we are going to begin with our chapter number 4, that is heat flow and temperature. Okay students, so are you all ready for starting the chapter? Yes? Yes, very good. But students, as you know that your teacher always gives you a motivational thought before starting the session. And I am going to tell you something more interesting. Okay? So we will start our day with this thought. Now the thought is, dream is not what you see in sleep. Dream is something which never let you sleep. So dream is something which never let you sleep. It means that when you are dreaming something, when you are having some goal in your life, then start working hard towards it. Otherwise there is no use of seeing dream that I am IS officer, I am businessman and I am so in dreams. Okay, in sleeping mode we can see any type of dream. But actual dream is somewhat which never let you sleep. So students, if you start dreaming, then start working hard. Okay? Okay my dear students? Okay, very good. So students, today we are going to start chapter number 4, as already I have told you. That is heat flow and temperature. So let's start with today's topic. So what is heat energy? Okay, heat energy क्या होता है? Heat energy मैं आपको बताऊंगी. But before telling you this, I am going to show you a small activity. So are you all ready? Okay students, so let us start with this activity. As you can see, what is in my hand? This is a ice cube. Okay. Ice is in my hand. Students, what you have to do? You have to hold the ice for a minute, okay? Okay, I am holding for a minute. Just have a look. After a minute, you start feeling it cold, right? Yes, students, it is true. What you have to do? At your home, take a ice cube and just hold it in your hand like this. After holding it, you are going to feel it cold. Yes, now I am feeling cold. Second activity, you can see I hold a mug of water. Okay, this water contains warm. It is a warm water. Okay, students. So I am going to dip my hands in the warm water. Now I will just dip my hand for a minute. Just have a look. But make sure that this water is only warm, neither to be cold nor to be hot. ज़्यादा पानी गर्म भी नहीं होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा पानी ठंडा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. So after a minute, I feel warm. Okay. So this is the second activity. So students, as we have seen that when I was holding ice in my hand, I felt cold. Okay. When I was dipping my hand in warm water, then I feel warm. Now, just think about it. When I have a boiling water, will you able to dip your hand? Suppose I have taken the boiling water. So will I able to dip my hand? No, it's not possible. Maybe I can burn. So, हम क्या हुआ? हम उसमें क्या सकते हैं? हमारे हाथ जल सकते हैं. So here the concept come hot. If we are dipping our hand, if we are trying to dip anything in the boiling water, then the concept comes hot. So students, we are going to deal with these terms like cold, lukewarm, warm, hot and very hot. Okay. So these are the terms you are going to deal in this chapter, that is chapter number 4, heat flow and temperature. Is that clear, my dear students? So let's start with our today's topic, okay? Students, we use such words like cold, lukewarm, warm, hot, boiling hot. These terms are entirely depend on the type of situation. Means if you are getting cold water, you are going to get cold. If you are getting lukewarm water, means the water is neither too cold nor too hot. So you are going to get the situation warm. Okay, lukewarm means very little warm water is there. Hot, boiling water is there, then it is known as hot. Boiling hot means if the पानी steam निकल रहा है उसमें से, that term is known as boiling hot. So students, we are going to use these terms according to the situation. Is that clear? When I am saying cold, lukewarm, warm, hot, boiling hot, it means how am I feeling all these things? With the sense of touch. Very nice. With the sense of touch. Means when I am touching the cold things, I am used to feel cold. When I am touching hot water, then I am feeling that it is hot. When I am touching warm, then I am feeling that it is warm. So students, this is going to feel only by this sense of touch. Okay. So when you are feeling the degree of hotness or coldness is there. Okay. When you are having the degree of coldness or hotness is there, it means we are going to estimate the temperature. We are going to estimate what? We are going to estimate the temperature. Very good, students. When I am saying that I am feeling hot and cold, okay, on the basis of the sensitivity of touch, right? So it is going to just estimate the degree of hotness and coldness too. Yes, yes, students. So what is the concept behind it? The concept is, just listen carefully and understand it. The heat flow. The heat flows or flow of heat energy into the body. This makes us feel hot. When heat energy is just rotating or just moving inside in the body itself, then it is going to feel hot. When the heat energy is allowing to move outside the body, then we feel cold. So students, hot and cold, these are the two concepts in which we are going to deal in the heat energy. So now let's understand what is heat energy on the board. Okay students? So what is heat energy? It is also given in key terms also, students. Okay? The energy transferred from one body to another body due to temperature difference between them. We will repeat this definition again. We will repeat this definition. Heat energy, the energy transferred from one place to another body due to a temperature difference between them. Students, have a look and understand it. Energy is transferring एक place से दूसरे place पर. किस तरीके से? Temperature difference. If I am saying that I am feeling it, if I am saying that I am feeling it cold, so the temperature is different. When I am saying I am feeling hot inside on my palms, then what I am going to say? It means that there is a temperature difference. So what you have to remember, the energy, जो भी energy transferred हो रही है एक body से दूसरी body पर due to the difference of the temperature. So definition is this: the energy transferred from one place to another due to the temperature difference between them. उनके बीच में temperature difference होने की वजह से जो भी heat rate is going to transfer. Okay, is that clear? Heat energy is also included in your key terms also. Okay students, so shall I proceed further? Okay students, as you can see on page A-35, chapter number 4, heat flow and temperature. Okay, you can see that there are some sentences written in black writing, in dark and red, in dark and black. Okay, so just going to read it. First we will read these sentences, then we will move towards next topic. Students, as you can see on page A-35, it is written over here with red pen. What is heat energy? Okay, heat energy मैंने आपको activities दिखा दी. I hope that you also learned something. Now what is very important to underline in your book, just underline it. we use our sense of touch and estimate the degree of hotness or coldness. That is, we estimate the temperature of the body. Okay, so this sentence is very important. After this, on right side, second paragraph, students, just underline in your book on the same page, A-35 chapter 4. Okay, start करें. Okay, all of you open your book. Okay, fine. Yes, I think you all opened your book because you have marked the definition earlier also. Okay, now mark it. It is the flow of heat energy into our body which makes us feel hot or warm, etc. जो भी बॉडी में हीट फ्लो करती है, ठीक है, जो भी बॉडी में हीट फ्लो करती है, we feel it hot. Conversely, means on the opposite side, the heat energy flows out of the body. जो हीट एनर्जी हमारी बॉडी से बाहर रिलीज हो रही है, we feel cold. क्लियर हो गई बात आपको कि when do we feel hot and when do we feel cold? Okay, students. Then we move to third paragraph, last line. The energy transferred from one body to another body due to a temperature difference between them is called heat, and the energy involved in heat is known as heat energy, although we have covered on board also. Next, just underline it. It can be also defined as invisible energy which causes the sensation of hot and cold. Okay, so it is a type of energy. Invisible energy means this energy we cannot see but we can feel it. ये एनर्जी में दिखाई नहीं देता, बट हम इसे कैसे फील करते हैं? We feel sometime very hot, sometime cold. So this is called as sensation. Okay, my dear students. Okay. We use sensation of touch to decide whether a body is hot or cold. However, our sensation of touch is not very reliable. Following activity will prove the above statement. So students, we are going to discuss activity 4.1, which is given in your book on page A-35 in green paragraph. Green paragraph is there. I am going to show you in book. In activity 4.1, sensation of touch is not reliable to find the degree of hotness or coldness of the body. So we are going to discuss this activity. I am going to show you a very interesting activity and I hope that you all are going to enjoy it also. Our activity setup is now ready. As you can see that on the table I have put 3 mugs which are of different colors. Now you are thinking that why ma'am has taken different colors mugs. It is needed because we are going to take the water inside it. Okay, so what you have to do, like I have taken yellow color mug or orange color mug, and in this cold water is there. Okay, then you can see in red mug the tap water is there in red mug. In mug C the warm water is there. Okay, students, so you have to just remember the color of the mugs in which the water is kept. Is that clear? So now you are thinking that what is the need of keeping mugs on the table? So I am going to tell you which kind of activity we are going to perform today. So are you all ready for this activity? Say yes. Yes, very nice. So what is the aim of this activity? Sensation of touch is not reliable to find the degree of hotness or coldness of the body. So students, means what we are going to touch, it is not going to rely. Okay, so what we need to find the degree of hotness and coldness through this activity. So what are the material you require for this activity? You can also perform this activity at your home also. Like what you need? Mugs of different colors, then ice cold water, warm water and tap water. Then marker. What is the need of having marker here? We need markers to write A, B, C. Is that clear? Which activity we are going to perform today? We are going to perform to find the degree of hotness or coldness of the body. कि किसी को चीज को भी टच करके हम कितना हॉट और कितना कोल्ड फील कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस एक्टिविटी. Students, what you have to do in this activity, you are going to take mugs of different colors. Okay, this is mug A, this is mug B, and this is mug C. Now you can see that if we are going to pour water in this, and we must remember in this mug A, the water should be ice cold water. Okay, आप कुछ आइस ले लोगे, उसके ऊपर पानी डालोगे, then it will become ice cold water. एकदम ठंडा पानी होना चाहिए, चिल्ड पानी. Clear? In second mug we require tap water. जो आपका नल का पानी आता है, फिल्टर पानी बोलेंगे. We are going to pour in this like this. Okay? Like this. You have to pour. Okay, students. Then move to tap mug 3. Mug 3 or mug C, we can say there is no issue. Mug C. Mug C contain, you have to take water here. It should be warm water. Okay, students. So this is the activity setup. This is the activity setup. Means हमारा जो experiment का setup है, that is all ready. ठीक है? A ice cold water, B tap water, C warm water. Okay, students? Yes. Okay. Now we are going to perform this activity on this setup also. Yeah. This is mug A, this is mug B, and this is mug C. Students, what we are going to do, as I am standing here, now what I have to do, I am going to dip my hands. Okay. So left hand, as we have already studied in mug A, the water is of ice cold water. So I am going to dip left hand in mug A, which contains ice cold water. Okay. Then right hand on which mug? Obviously C, which contains warm water. So I am going to dip for 2 to 3 minutes. 2 से 3 मिनट के लिए हम अपना हाथ क्या करेंगे, इसमें डिप कर देंगे like this. Okay. Just you have to fix the timer in your watch so that after 2 to 3 minutes you can take out your hands. Okay, students, like this. First I am going to repeat again because अभी 2-3 मिनट से हमारे पास. तो पहले आप क्या करेंगे, 3 मग्स लेंगे, उसमें A B C लिख देंगे. A मग में आप ठंडा पानी रखेंगे, B मग में आप टैप वाटर रखेंगे, C मग में वार्म वाटर रखेंगे. आफ्टर दिस आप इस तरीके से खड़े हो जाएंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड यू हैव टू डिप इन आइस कोल्ड वाटर एंड राइट हैंड यू हैव टू डिप इन वार्म वाटर. नाउ लेट्स वेट फॉर 2 to 3 minutes. So you have to keep on dipping like this. You are not supposed to take out your hands. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Your hands should be stable like this. Then now the 2 minutes is over. Now what you have to do? You have to take out your hands like this and you have to dip on mug B, which contains tap water like this. So students, what you are going to feel? You are going to feel like this. Just wait. Now, so you will find the students the left hand. Okay, to the left hand the tap water you will feel warm, and to the right hand the water you will feel cold. Okay students, means देखो इस तरीके से आप करेंगे तो इससे आपको क्या पता चलेगा, जो लेफ्ट हैंड मैं आइस कोल्ड वाटर से लेके आ रही हूँ, दैट इज आई एम गोइंग टू फील इट hot, and here from C I am feeling cold. Okay students, you have to take out your hands like this, and this completes your activity. Now we will get the conclusion here. Students, after feeding water in the 3 mugs, as we have performed this activity by taking ice cold water, tap water and warm water. So we have performed activity in such a manner. Okay. So after performing this activity, feeding water in 3 mugs, what we have concluded? sensation of touch is not reliable to find the degree of hotness or coldness of body. So students, this is the conclusion of this activity. Means it is not going to prove the sensation of your touch. ठीक है, sensation of touch ये बिल्कुल reliable नहीं करता कि आप it is not reliable to find the degree of hotness or coldness. Okay, so what we need to measure the degree of hotness, I am going to tell you this. The reliable measure to find the degree of hotness or coldness of a body is to measure its temperature. So reliable measure के लिए what we need to measure temperature. Students, temperature क्या होता है? Temperature, the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. मीन्स हमारी बॉडी जब बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होती है, ठीक है, तो हम कहते हैं टेम्परेचर उस टाइम पे, जैसे कि आज के टाइम में वी टॉक अबाउट टुडेज सिनेरियो, एज यू नो दैट द पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन इज arising day by day. Okay, COVID-19 is there. So क्या होता है? फीवर आता है, आप जैसे हम लोगों को फीवर आता है, so फीवर आने पर क्या होता है? हमारी बॉडी गर्म हो जाती है. तो at that time what your doctor told you? Doctor always advises that you have to check your temperature regularly. What is the need of checking temperature regularly? In order to check the degree of hotness. कि जब आपको फीवर आता है तो आपका टेम्परेचर कितना रहता है, जब आपका फीवर उतर जाता है तो आपका टेम्परेचर कितना रहता है. तो बहुत ध्यान से समझेंगे. द डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस ऑफ अ बॉडी, हमारी बॉडी कितनी ज्यादा गर्म है, कितनी ज्यादा ठंडी है, it is only possible because of the temperature. Okay, now the point comes, how does we measure temperature? आपने देखा है? अच्छा, मैं आपको एक चीज दिखाती हूँ फिर आप बताना. So students, what is in my hand? You can see. You also have seen in your doctor's hand also when you are suffering from fever, right? जब हमें फीवर होता है, बुखार से हम सफर कर रहे होते हैं, at that time what we use? This is called thermometer. This is called thermometer. Students, you have seen that there are varieties of thermometer are there. In later topics, I am going to discuss with you. Okay. So right now I have a digital thermometer in my hand. Okay, students. So what you have to learn here? So to measure the degree of hotness or coldness, that is for temperature. To measure this temperature, we require to use thermometer. So thermometer का definition क्या होगा? Device used for recording temperature. कोई ऐसा डिवाइस जो टेम्परेचर को रिकॉर्ड करता है, दैट इज नोन एज थर्मोमीटर. ओके, जैसे मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया, व्हेन यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर, वी यूज टू चेक योर टेम्परेचर रेगुलरली. डॉक्टर ऑलवेज एडवाइज दैट यू हैव टू चेक योर टेम्परेचर ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस so that you get a record of the temperature. So you get a record whether your body once it becomes too hot, once it becomes too cold. ठीक है, जब हम दवाई खाते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर कम होने लगता है. To measure a degree of temperature, we require thermometer. Is that clear? कि what we have done, हमने क्यों हीट एनर्जी, क्या बताया मैम ने आज आपको? हीट एनर्जी बताया. That is the process of heat transfer from one place to another due to the differences of temperature. Okay students, as you know that temperature and thermometer, these are the key terms. Okay, first key term हमने किया था heat energy, second and third, second one is temperature, third one is thermometer. So students, this completes today's topic. Okay, so students, this completes today's session. Okay, your homework is to revise the classwork. मैंने जितना भी आपको पढ़ाया, you have to just go through all the topics, and you can also perform this activity which I have shown with by using different colors of mugs. So you can also perform this activity at home, and when you do this activity, I am really 101% sure that you are going to enjoy, because you are going to feel the magic से आप feel करेंगे. So मेरी request चाहिए कि you should perform this activity at your home. Okay students, all my dear students, be safe at your home. Okay, and do your homework on the regular basis, so that you will not get any problem in submission of your work. Okay, thank you my dear students, have a good day.